Yes, go ahead.
Okay, this is Grace T. Book T-Kip again. And I'm going to smell my stickers first. They smell like strawberry. Do you like strawberry? I do.
Yeah, go
Not
ahead.
sour and stuff.
Go ahead and smell it.
They're scratch and sniff, Mommy.
Uh-huh.
Ah.
Okay.
And this one's apple. Do you like apples?
Yeah.
I love apples.
Okay.
An apple away keeps the doctor away. An apple a day keeps the doctor away.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, ready?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know the words to this one.
That's okay.
Because it doesn't
I
come with
don't
any
think it
words.
has any words.
It's just
Okay.
like the playing of the music inside.
Go ahead.